Hello, my loves. Okay, hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today I have two packages. Both of them are from the LTL Print house. Look how cute their packages are. They put like a little sticker and all. So one of them is actually my order, which is this one. So I'll show you. And then the other one is my lovely PR package with the new release. So let me show you all of it. And then this. Okay. So this is the spring collection. This is going to be coming out on March 1st. So I'm going to show you this and then I'll show you what I ordered. I am obsessed with their stickers, you guys. They're just so perfect. Okay. And then there's a spring magic collection too. So, okay. So this is the spring collection and this is the spring magic collection, which I don't have. So let's go through it. Do you see this Mickey Mouse, you guys? It is so cute. Okay, so if you shop there, if you use Kasha15, you get 15% off. All the links are linked in my description as always, but stop to feel the magic. Look how amazing this is. So it's called Spring Magic Collection. These flowers are just like beautiful and pastel-y, and then you get quotes. So hello spring, all the things with love and flowers. A well-planned life sparkles. Plant dreams and grow a happy life. Just a girl in the planner world. And then you get all of these too if you buy the whole collection, and then you get colored ones as well. So these are gorgeous. These are very pastel-y. And then let me show you the brand new collection. The spring collection is here. So hello spring in color and in black and white. Here comes the sun. Beauty is all around. Stop and smell the flowers bloom. It's a good day to have a good day. And look at these. Oh my gosh. So black and white and color. Like how amazing is this? And then you get long boxes and different boxes, of course, in black and in color. And look at all of this washi. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am obsessed with their stickers. So this collection comes out on March 1st. I highly recommend this. This is already available in their store, but coordinates with the colors so perfectly. Take a look. Like that's the background, right? That's this flower. The yellow flowers are the same. This little roses that are like buds are the same color as this. So it's basically a perfect marriage. Okay. Second thing, I'm gonna show you what I ordered because the obsession is super real. Sorry, so I was missing some stickers from them that I really wanted. So of course I wanted a birthday one because who doesn't want birthday stickers, you guys, right? We celebrate stuff all the time for everything. And then, I don't know if you guys saw, but they have this like fruit collection. And let me show you. So Sweet Summer. It's summer. A sweet summer collection, but it is amazeballs. So take a look. These are black and white. You can color them if you want to, or you can leave them black and white, but look at these and these, right? So this corresponds to this. This corresponds to this. I am so in love. It is a full collection. Yes, I bought a full collection. You get round boxes as well as square ones. This is the washi, and yes, I got multiples of these because yeah, how could I not? I love them. Like look at this. I also got this which is, yeah, so I got two. So I got two of all of these because I am obsessed. Remember that with this store, you can buy whole collections or you can buy a la carte one kind of sheet at a time. So just remember that because I just love my stickers. So I sometimes do both. And then I got this one, which is Wild and Free. It's a butterfly collection. So this one is Wild and Free. Today is your day. Wing it. Spread joy. You are one of a kind. It's okay to grow slow. And then change is beautiful. Flutter freely. And then you have this like piece of butterflies. This is beautiful. And then grow, evolve, transform. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm just checking. Yep, okay. And then I got these bundles, which I love. So these are those free ones, like free, not free money-wise, just freestanding ones that I used in my journal, if you guys saw this. So it's those. I'm so obsessed with those. I wanted more of those. I also used this box and I only had one of these, so I ordered another one and these as well because they're just absolutely gorgeous. So I could not get enough of this. So anyway, I hope you guys had fun on this quick little video with me. I am so obsessed with this. I can't wait to show you guys more stuff. But yes, this collection, the spring one, is coming out on March 1st. Use Kasha15 to get 15% off. I am obsessed. So let me know what you guys think. I can't wait to hear from you guys, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.